Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to create AI generated presentation in just seconds or less than a minute. Imagine creating a presentation for school, for marketing, for business, for meetings or whatsoever. So first we want to go here and press on presentation. Upon clicking presentation here, we can go to templates and here we can just describe your design. Create me a 7-page presentation regarding the features of MacBook Pro. Press generate. So it will just take some time to generate. So let's just wait until it generates. So imagine without typing or anything, it will just finalize the page. So we'll just take a few seconds to less than a minute to finalize. So let's just wait for the loading to there. So there we go. The design is ready. Apply all 7 pages. So there is your MacBook design. See? That's how easy it is to create in seconds. And you can just by the finishing touches or add some more visuals for these types of presentation. So you can share, download, and just press download. So once again, that's how easy it is to create a presentation with the use of AI and Canva in seconds. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come.